Hey guys, Chris Red here at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon, at America's #1 premium pre-owned dealer in the nation. Today I'm going to talk about a pre-owned leisure travel island bed. Now we are a leisure travel dealer, so we can order them brand new, but we also specialize in pre-owned. So this is hand selected by our buying team and it's a beauty. So this is a 2015 leisure travel island bed. Now, as you can see, this is the newer body style to leisure travel. So this has the new curvature to the wall here. So very, very streamlined look. This is equipped with Alcoa Wheels. So every leisure travel is done by order. So it really depends on how the previous client ordered them. This RV has about 40,000 miles on it. So it's gently used. You have a nice little integrated step here. When you open up the door, the light will pop on, so it's very easy to get on. It's built on the Mercedes-Benz chassis, 188 horsepower, 325 pounds of torque. It is equipped with keyless entry, so you can enter your code here and your door will open up. You can lock it, leave your keys in there if you're gonna go hiking. Very nice. Opening up some of the storage compartments, they are nice and lined. Now you have storage compartments along the whole side of this RV here, so I'm going to open up some of these for you. When I close the doors, a little soft closing, kind of like your nice kitchen cabinets. So this right here is going to be your generator. Now this is a Cummins Awning generator here, and then on the outside you have a nice little storage compartment on the back. Now it is equipped with a quick disconnect for your propane system, so if you do have a barbecue you want to bring along, you can just hook up there. Now the island bed has phenomenal storage, so if I open up this storage compartment here, nice pass-through storage all the way through, so anything large, fishing poles, kayaks, it will all fit right there. Super nice. You have a nice carefree power awning with LED strip lighting, so you can roll the awning out, turn the lights on, and then it is equipped here with legs on the awning. Some of the newer ones don't have legs, but you can clip into your coach here, so that way it gives you a little stability when you're traveling. They ordered this with a rear ladder, so here's the extension, and then you just clip that on if you're going to climb onto the roof. And it does have a backup camera on the back. This is a two-piece rear mast, so this is, if you get into a fender bender, you can remove that bottom piece and you don't have to replace your whole rear mast. 5,000 pound towing capacity on this RV. They equipped it with a Macerator, so this RV has a Macerator. So in the rear here, this is where your outside shower, your propane fill, and this is where you're going to do your dumping of your waste. So this is equipped with a Macerator, so you can grab the handle of your little small hose here, and then you turn the switch, and you don't have to hook up a black hose every time. So very convenient when you're out traveling. This is not the fun part of camping. No one thinks about this, but you have to do it. And then on the driver's side here, you're going to have some more storage bins. So let me open these up to show you how nice they are. Nice lined storage bins. And then you also have, and these are all lockable bins as well. Another storage bin here. Now when you want to fuel your diesel up, you open up the door here, and then you just flip this flap here, and then that will be your diesel fuel. So let's walk around and take a look at the inside. Hey guys, Chris Red here at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. We are inside this 2015 leisure travel island bed. This is a beautiful floor plan, a lot of great options that this one's equipped with. So this is a 2015. It does have the smart wheel. When you're driving, you can hook up Bluetooth, change your songs, and run all your controls off your steering wheel. Now this one was equipped with stabilizing jacks, so there's two stab jacks that come down. If they were on when you start your engine, this red light will light up here, which is a nice little feature, a little safety feature, so you don't drive down with your jacks. So this is the maple cabinetry. This is a twin bed, so you have seat belts here. Now your table, two pulls go in right here, and then you have your table, and these seats spin around, so 4 people can eat comfortably in here. If you do bring someone to travel with you and you do need an extra sleeping area, it comes with 2 smaller legs that will clip in here, and then your table will go across, and then you'll use the backs to have a sleeping quarters here. Because it's at 2015, they made some changes along the way, leisure travel, but this has an opening skylight, so you can open that up if you want to get some fresh air. And then you have your nice pull-through screen and a little darkening shade here, so you can really close off this RV. So like I mentioned earlier, this has stabilizing jacks. There's solar panels on the roof. You do have your generator located here, and this is your inverter controls there, okay? All your lights are dimmable lights, okay? You can dim on the ceilings, and then you just have these little backlights you can turn on here. A lot of great storage in this RV. So if I open these up, all storage here. You have a nice big deep stainless steel sink here, a 2-burner stove, and then you have a nice little garbage can tucked in the back there, so you can dump that out easily. Nice drawers. Storage in this RV. They didn't miss or skip a beat on this when they were designing it. Your television pulls out like that, so if you're going to sit in the driver and passenger seat, you have a nice little viewing for your television. And this is a nice little pantry here. Because it's 2015, you're going to be able to get the separate fridge and freezer. So you have your freezer here and your fridge. And then you have a nice convection microwave by High Point, okay? So convection microwave. And then when we step into the back, so now this is your shower door. So if I did want to have some privacy, this can go right here, and this little clip will block off there, so you can have 2 separate rooms. But I'm gonna let you come back here so you can see you have a nice little pocket door that will pull through here and block off your bathroom. You have some storage up top and below the sink. Okay, you have a nice max air vent fan here that will just open up there. And then what I'm going to show you here, so now we're in the queen size bed. There's some storage below. Okay, so if I lift this up, you'll be able to see you have that's where your table's stored, your table legs, and you do have storage. And then you have 2 nice big drawers that pull out here at the foot of the bed. So there's a lot of storage in this. Then you have closets on either side, okay? And then storage along the top. So there's 3 of those. Now what I'll do is I'll get out of the way and I'll show you the shower. So your door clips open here. Now your shower is separate from the toilet here. I'm 6 foot, so I still have a lot of room in this shower here. Just want to show you how big it is. And then this is your shower door that pulls across. So my name's Chris Fred. I work at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. And we're in a 2015 Leisure Travel Island bed. Now we carry them brand new, but we specialize in premium pre-owned. So if you have any questions or about any leisure travel product that you're looking at, please feel free to give me a call. And thanks again for watching my video.